whole ratchet. I started taking these meds, formed the whole habit. We overseas with it, shit on our knees, get it. Mark got my sleeve dripping. I'm just speed limit. That bitch a whole ratchet. We got them hoes bragging. I started taking these meds, medical, formed me a whole habit. I'm the rich.
What's going on, and thank you for joining me in another YouTube fitness travel vlog. So today is the day, finally. Today is the giveaway. I want to thank everyone for liking, subscribing, and watching the videos. Have great feedback on the first 6 videos that I've posted. Make sure you guys still like and subscribe, comment what I can do to better the videos or anything that you guys want to see. Feedback is very, very important to me. And this won't be the last giveaway. We will be doing another giveaway. I will be making another video next week about the new video. But still, make sure you guys share my old videos to your friends, family, anyone that's looking to better themselves in the gym. Just a little fitness tips and motivation for the people that are kind of starting from the first step. So here we go. All right, so we're gonna start with 3rd place winner, and that is the fitness apparel plus $50 cash. All right, let's show it up here. Got a little Nike box over here. Show you guys. Get a little shake. The first winner, which is the 3rd prize winner, goes to Tawggs, Tawggs, YouTube, named Tawggs. You get the G&G apparel along with $50 cash. I'll send you a message, so make sure you check your inbox. Sorry. For the 2nd prize winner, alright, so we have the 2nd prize winner, and that goes to you gotta be kidding me. Tevin Connors. YouTube, Tevin Connors. And you get the $150 cash prize. Gotta be kidding me. All right. First place prize. All right. First place prize. Drum roll, please. And the first place prize winner, Apple Watch, goes to Lauren P. Congratulations, guys. And thanks for watching this video. Remember, we are doing another giveaway. I want to thank you guys for liking, subscribing to all my videos. Stay tuned for new content, which will be this up and coming Monday. Go and get it.
Get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's